going to be showing you how to write a linear equation.
A linear equation is the equation for a straight line. There are 8 steps you need to follow.
Step 1 is to find the slope. To find the slope, you use the equation y minus y over x minus x. For our coordinates, we're going to be using 2 and negative 4 and 6 and 3. So these are your y terms, negative 4 and 3. So you're going to do negative 4 minus 3 and then use your x terms, 2 minus 6 over 2 minus 6. To subtract, it's going to be adding a negative. So that would be negative 7 over negative 4. So your slope will be 7 over 4. Slope is the rise over run of a number. So every unit you go up 7, you go across 4.
Step 2 is to choose a point. I would recommend choosing the first point so it makes things easier for you in the long run. The first point would be 2, negative 4. Step 3 is to replace y, m, and x. Now we're going to replace the y, m, and x. So when we rewrite this problem, we're going to get y minus, and we're replacing our y, so we're going to get equals m, which is 7 over 4, and then in parentheses, x minus 2. So this is our
to distribute. You're going to distribute the m value, or 7 over 4, to the values in the parentheses. So you will have y plus 4 equals 7 over 4 x minus 14 over 4. And to simplify that, it will be 7 over 2.
Get the y value alone or put it in slope-intercept form. To do this, you want to subtract 4 from both sides, and this will get you y equals 7/4 x minus 15 over 2. Step 6 is to remove fractions. To remove a fraction, you have to find a common denominator and multiply all the fractions by all the terms by that denominator. Our common denominator for this equation is 4. So we multiply all our terms by 4. We're going to multiply all the terms by 4. 4y. 7 over 4 times 4. You cross reduce and you get 7. Negative 15 over 2 times 4. You can make this a 2, and you take that out, and you get negative 15 times 2, and get negative 30. When you rewrite this equation, you get 4y equals 7x minus 30.
Subtract 7x from each side. And you're going to put negative 7x first because the x term goes first. Then plus 4y equals negative 30. So now you have both your x terms and your y terms on the same side.
To make the x term positive. To do this, you have to divide all the terms by negative 1. This gives you 7x plus minus 4y equals 30. The equation is now in standard form.